Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add pages in your Webflow website. So let's jump into it. To start with, you first want to be on the Webflow dashboard like I am here. And then you next want to select which site you want to add the pages to. So I'm just going to choose this one for this example. So once your site's loaded up, it will look something like this. And in order to actually get more pages, it is very simple luckily. So we just go over to the left hand side here. And you can see this paper kind of icon, and this will actually take us to pages, or we can just click P and that'll take us here. And here's where we can see all our pages. So here we can see our home. If we click on this, we go to our reports, and we can basically just do this for all of our pages. However, if we want to add a new one, it is very simple. We just go up here and select here, create new page, and you will unfortunately have to have a membership for this. As you can see, it is telling me to upgrade. So if we click on here to view the site plans, the cheapest one we can get is $14 a month. And with all these plans, you get 150 static pages, which is really useful. So you will unfortunately have to upgrade. However, if you are using Webflow to create your website, then you need to upgrade anyway to really launch it and have a custom domain. So it's not that much of a big deal. But once you have actually done that and clicked create a new page, it will ask what you want to call your page. So you want to just name it whatever it is so that you can keep organized like this. And then you just want to click the create button, and then your new page will be added to the pages panel, like down here. From there, you can then start customizing it by adding content, elements, and styles. So that is exactly how you add pages to your Webflow website. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you now know how to add pages in Webflow. If you do, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.